Look, after applying the sub-base material, then we apply water and compaction is done with the roller. After the full compaction of the sub-base, then we apply this base course material. It is nothing but crushed stones and mixed with stone dust. You can see crushed stones and stone dust, or all bigger stones will be picked out, and we are plowing, and then we will mix water and then mix these materials with water, and then we will use the roller to compact it. So this is the base course material. And to give the exact camber thickness, we use the maps, and the camber is given and the height is given as per the design level, which is in the map sheet, cross section profile sheet. But you are currently seeing the base course preparation. This is the big stones. We will remove it. In a few moments, we will apply water to mix this all.